Today we're discussing, is climate change impacting your flood insurance policy? And we're here in the river and we're addressing that concern in today's video. So today we're talking about that topic that everybody really seems to be afraid to discuss, and that is climate change. How is it impacting your flood insurance policy? We're talking about how global warming is a form of climate change. You know, climate change has been happening since the days of the dinosaur. Whether you agree with global warming or not, we can all come to an agreement that something's changing because we're starting to see a lot more flood events across the country. Could that be because of massive land development? Absolutely. Or we're starting to see a lot stronger hurricanes. We're starting to see flash flooding events like we've never seen before. You know, we're seeing these flood events all across the country, not just in coastal areas. Nashville, Birmingham, Alabama, St. Louis, Missouri, all these different areas. So how are these starting to impact your flood insurance policy? Well, carriers are starting to look at something called a flood risk score. You can find that on our website. They get the flood score of your property. And one of the things they look at is flooding frequency, the type of flooding in all these areas. Even the National Flood Insurance Program is using these things to build your flood insurance rate. So these things are starting to have a big impact on flood insurance rates, whether it's the National Flood Insurance Program or private flood insurance. And it might be why you've seen your renewal skyrocket. It's because of a lot more flooding in your area or the potential of flooding. So this is how climate change could possibly be impacting your flood insurance policy. Does that mean that's your only option? Absolutely not. Remember, there's multiple options on top of the National Flood Insurance Program. So it's important to look at these things as your policies come up for renewal. So if you're ready to take the next steps of understanding how climate change could possibly help lower your flood insurance premiums and lower your flood risk, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form, and one of our flood education specialists is going to get in touch with you. Step 2, receive customized flood insurance proposals from us. And Step 3, pick the plan that best fits your needs. My name is Chris Greene, founder of the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for tuning in to today's video on how climate change could possibly impact your flood insurance policy.